Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Kids Creativity. Today I am going to make a rechargeable lamp. So let's start it. To make rechargeable lamp, we need a used plastic container, diode 4007, resistor 100 ohm, LED bulb, three connecting wires, 4-volt rechargeable battery and two connecting wires, switch, LED strips, scissor and solder machine. Take 9-volt connecting wire, diode, resistor, LED bulb and two connectors. Now attach the diode to the resistor. Like this. Now attach the positive wire to the diode and resistor. Friends, when doing soldering, please take a help of elders. Now take bulb and attach it to the resistor at the positive side. Now make a hole in the containers. Now pass the LED through the bigger hole. Like this. Now insert the bulb through the smaller one. Now attach the negative wire of the 9-volt connector to the LED's negative terminal. Now take a wire and attach it to the diode. One wire and attach it to the switch. Now connect the positive wire to the switch. Take the negative wire of the LED strip and connect it to the negative terminal of the LED bulb. Now make a hole as per the size of the switch. Now take one more wire and connect it to the negative terminal of the LED bulb. Now join these two wires. Now join these two wires. One of the LED strip and other to the negative terminal of the LED bulb. Now connect these two wires. Now let's check if they work. Wow. They are very bright. Now stick them with the help of double tape. Now let's switch it. It's very bright. You can see how our rechargeable lamp is working. Now let's understand how it is rechargeable. For this, I have used a 9-volt adapter with its top removed and connected by a 9-volt connector. Now connect it to the rechargeable lamp. This way it is recharging. I hope you enjoyed how to make a rechargeable lamp. The winner of the last video's quiz is Nutan Lodaya. Congratulations to you. Now it's time for today's quiz. And today's question is, why did I use a LED bulb in the project? See you all in the next video. Thank you.